the same things that they need to do,
Brave shit.
then what can the people do if they're the ones being replaced?
I see this shit.
That's a big question.
Yeah.
So if we cannot enhance our AI power, it's almost like horsepower. When you think about a car, you know, we're at one man, we're still at manpower. So if one man can't be a horse, or tell the horse to do the work, right? Now we're today at age in AI power. So if the company is firing 1,000 people because they have 1,000 AI power, then how do we as one individual have our own that AI 1,000 power? Because if we can't create the AIs that's working, but we're getting replaced by them, we end up being a consumer.
Right.
So these VR headsets like these, for me, is being able to put these on and be able to talk to my 1,000 or 2,000 AIs. You know, be able to see them, organize them, have all my different AIs right here while I'm walking around, right here while I'm driving, right, doing whatever I need to do, because I build the applications to have each one of these AIs. But to have AIs working, like when you come to your business, making money, making sales, making phone calls, making outreach, tracking your funnels, tracking your ads, doing all the things it needs to do to make you money every day. Those are the AIs the business owners should be worried about. To build their own AI power. And if the AI can't work while they're sleeping, then they don't have AI power, they just have access to AI that has power.
That's heavy right there, man. That's deep, man. So that's a whole new theory. I think a lot of people are grasping in what AI and the abilities and what it's going to do to the marketplace. So, I mean, for myself, I mean, I'm probably very versed at like prompt engineering for like research and development. But when I hear you speak on AI and your background and your expertise, it allows me that it's so much more than what really meets the eye with it. Like for surface value, it's great for like research and development, but to be able to actually own your own AI, be able to have it stored at a central location that can prevent any type of, you know, tampering with, or say if the grid shuts down or anything of that nature, you still have access to your own AI system, which I think is like not really a talking point as of now in the space, but you've been someone speaking about it, at least from our conversations, for some months now. You know what I'm saying? And I think that's great to know that that's even an opportunity, or that's even available outside of like a Chat GPT or a Google Gemini, or, you know, the Perplexities, and, you know, you got a lot of the creative ones, you know what I'm saying, we can do like your art, and then, you know, there's a lot of people developing their own and selling it off as a service, and it's like letting people know like, hey, you have the ability to do that for them, to where now it's a service versus just a utility, you know what I'm saying, something that you just use
What's another one?
for a couple of things.
Exactly, because most people, you know, don't service-wise, even if they had a chatbot like a Chat GPT or Gemini, they still have to sit there and babysit it, which is supervised learning.
No.
You got to supervise it the whole time and keep teaching it. You know, but if you got AI agents that's, you know, agents instead of chatbots, just being able to do the work for people, you know, they don't, you know, sometimes they don't even know the prompts to even do what they need to do.
Well, I mean, even for me, I mean, it was some free resources out there, man. You know, you got, was it some X, edX, I think, yeah, EDUX or something like that, where they have, it's like a lot of free courses, man, you know, where you can kind of get somewhat introduced to AI. You know, that was my, you know, entry point. And then just kind of understanding, like giving it a task, giving it a role, having it ask you questions, you answer those questions, and then based off the task and role you give it, along with those answers you gave, it'll give you a lot of valuable information on whatever that topic or subject is. And for me, I just take that and kind of break it down. And I know you mentioned something that we spoke earlier off camera in regards to like, now they got like these new extensions, you know what I mean, to where like a lot of stuff to where you can kind of like segment your, I guess your feed or whatever it's called, your queue or whatever, and kind of like, you know, I don't know, you probably self research and development. You know what I mean? Email responses, like simple tasks like that. I mean, I know it's gave me a times 5, times 10, you know what I'm saying? And productivity, you know, being able to like respond to multiple opportunities, clients, things of that nature. You know, have it tailored specifically for them based off of prompts that I generated. So it just kind of, you know, even if we have a conversation, I take notes and I can go back, ask AI, and it can give me some valuable information to where now if I have any questions or if I want to have more dialogue with you, I can have some sense of understanding. You know what I'm saying? So it's really no excuses right now.